Have you ever thought about going green, or even what it means to go green? This, not that, is a concept we developed that simply means less waste equals less burden on the environment. Take a look at which packaging materials you are currently using and consider what could be excessive or what the least amount of materials would look like. Is there anything you can eliminate or swap for an alternative? Wexler Packaging strongly believes that a commitment to the environment should not be a financial burden to your company, but rather an opportunity to explore alternative packaging solutions like banding. Banding is a process that uses paper or polyfilm, which are less expensive than other bundling materials and processes. When you consider banding over traditional bundling methods, such as polybagging, chipboard boxes, shrink wrapping, you're opened up to a whole new world of opportunities. It allows you to use less materials while increasing and decreasing in other areas. It also maintains a strong, secured weld with tension that can be adjusted to your preference. Reducing waste is about more than what you throw away. Bundling products by banding is much more sustainable, both for the environment and for consumers. It's also more cost-effective for you and the consumer, allowing for a much higher throughput. By using other less green alternatives, you are foregoing sustainability, reducing your output potential, and most likely using a much more costly process. Banding comes with a heap of benefits, and it all starts with identifying room for growth and selecting the right bundling alternative, which our trusted advisors take great pride in helping you with. Our paper or poly bands can replace costly and potentially damaging materials like chipboards, polybags, rubber bands, plastic straps, shrink film, and more. Switching to banding to replace these costly materials can mean big savings for your company. The options are endless with banding, so let's explore the possibilities.